Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Raymond Marimon, and this is individual video reading the CPC Vision, Mission, Quality, Policy, and Objective of the Institute. Vision: CPC is a dynamic institute of high learning which accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resources development. Vision: Force 1 to Section 3 of Republic Act 7923. The college should provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special purposes and promote research and extension service, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Quality policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of high learning in the island of Camiguin, committees to provide quality, high professional, technical instruction, research, extension, and production services. Advanced studies for progressive leadership in agriculture, teacher education, engineering, and computer studies, industrial technology, arts and science, tourism, business and public administration. To achieve this, CPC shall 1. Deliver quality service to stockholder. 2. Adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professional and ethical standards. 3. Adopt change in education system as required by law. 4. Forge agreement with the tax and line engines locally and internationally. 5. Update the qualification and strengthen competencies of faculty members. 6. Improve its key process and procedures in delivering quality instructions and relevant research and extension service. And 7. Pursue continual improvement on quality management system as high learning institution and partner in sustainable development. Institute of Arts and Sciences objective of IAS to provide excellent instruction, trainings, and scholarly activities in the various fields of liberal arts and science, to strengthen competencies among faculty in instruction, research, creative works, and community involvement, to develop critical and creative thinking skills, ethical conduct, values, consciousness and appreciation of culture and the arts in the pursuit of excellence, to conduct quality research and extension services that are relevant and responsive to the needs of the community, and to linkages with others agencies, non-government organizations, and industries, employment opportunities from various stakeholders for mutual sharing of resources.